This is Bujumbura, the economic capital of Burundi. It's a city full of charm, life, and natural beauty. Located on the shores of Lake Tanganyika, one of the largest and deepest lakes in the world, Bujumbura offers breathtaking views of golden sunsets over the water and peaceful beaches where people relax and enjoy life. The city is also known for its vibrant culture and lively atmosphere. Local markets, colorful streets, and welcoming people make Bujumbura a warm and friendly place. Visitors can discover traditional Burundian music, food, and art that reflect the nation's rich identity. Bujumbura has beautiful neighborhoods and modern houses showing the country's growth and development. It is a city where tradition meets modern life, with restaurants, hotels, and cultural centers that open the doors to both locals and tourists. The city is also blessed with natural attractions. Just a short drive away, you can find the Living Museum of Bujumbura, home to crocodiles, snakes, and variety of birds. The surrounding hills and landscapes give Bujumbura a unique blend of urban life and natural beauty. What makes Bujumbura even more special is its peaceful and welcoming spirit. People live harmoniously, enjoying the calm environment and opportunities in the city. Bujumbura is not just a city, it is the beating heart of Burundi, where the beauty of nature, the richness of culture, and the resilience of people all come together. Look, this beautiful Lake Tanganyika, a spectacular large freshwater lake in East Africa, renowned for its stunning scenery including silver sand beaches and rocky shores, as well as its unique endemic aquatic life such as bright, colorful cichlid fish.